Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off disappearing messages on Messenger. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Messenger app. All right, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and open up the chat where disappearing messages appear. All right, so first up, for example, this one, as you can see, disappearing message. Now, when I go ahead and tap on hi or type down hi, it says here new messages will disappear 24 hours after everyone has seen them. Okay. Now you can just basically tap on change right here, and then you could turn it off. If not, if you don't have that option, well, just tap on the person's profile right here at the very top, and then scroll down a bit, and you'll find disappearing messages. Well, just tap on it and tap on turn off, and after that you're good to go. That's how simple it is to turn off disappearing messages on Messenger. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.